Hello beautiful people, let's make some crispy fried chicken. I have soft chicken drums that are so soft and easy to cook. So I've just added salt and I brought in water. We are going to wash this. The salt will help to remove all the slime in the chicken, and we'll wash this one by one and transfer this to the sieve to sieve out some of the water. And here they are all washed. Let's season the meat. I'll add in salt. Now add in paprika pepper, thyme leaves, chicken seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, black chili pepper, and barbecue spice. And we're going to mix all this in to combine properly. We are going to coat each chicken drum with the ingredients and the spices, mix it in to infuse into the chicken. And I made some cuts on the chicken. This will help all the ingredients to penetrate in properly so that this will be well marinated and seasoned. Mix it again, mix it in properly again, and I'm going to cover this with my cling film, and we'll send this to the fridge for up to 2 hours. If you have the time, you can marinate this overnight. And in a dry bowl, I added in flour. I also added in corn flour, and I brought in garlic powder, ginger powder, and some paprika powder, and we'll mix all this in to combine properly. I didn't add salt or any other seasoning because the meat is well seasoned. I wouldn't want this to be too salty. And here is a bowl of room temperature water, and our chicken is back from the fridge. Now I'll coat the chicken with the flour and the corn flour, coat it properly in all sides of the chicken, and I'll drop it into the bowl of water. So I'll repeat this again. In the process, this can get very sticky. Don't worry, you wash it off. And I'll coat all the others of the camera. We'll allow this to sit in for a minute, and we'll brought it back into the flour and the corn flour, and we'll mix it together just like I'm doing, and we'll transfer this into a dry plate. If you want yours more crunchier, the flour and the corn flour should be in the same proportion, and in case your mixed flour and corn flour finish it at any point, go ahead to have another mixture and continue with what you're doing. We'll bring it out from the water and we'll coat it again with the flour and the corn flour. Do this generously. This will give it that crispy and crunchy bite when you're through frying. Now let's go and fry. We'll use lots of oil to fry this because the chicken has to be submerged into the oil. And once the oil gets very hot, we'll start bringing in the chicken. We are frying on high heat. Try not to overcrowd the pot, and we'll cover this and fry between 10 to 15 minutes on very high heat. Yes, though it's covered, it's going to cook very well. And I'll bring this out in my ready serviette paper. Look at how crunchy and how yummy looking these chickens are. They are so tasty, they are so nice. I hope you try this and let me know how yours came out. Remember, at Glory Homemaker, we give you value for your time. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.